Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super useful Photoshop tip for you. I'm going to show you how to hide or retouch parts of an image using one of the coolest tools in the latest version of Adobe Photoshop. It's called Generative Fill. This tool uses AI to do the heavy lifting for you and is honestly a game changer. What used to take minutes or even hours of careful editing can now be done in seconds. So let's dive into it. First, open up your image in Photoshop. If there's something you want to remove, maybe a blemish, a distracting object in the background, or even a missing part of an image, start by selecting it. You can use the lasso tool, object selection tool, or whichever method you're comfortable with. Once your selection is made, you'll notice a toolbar appear just underneath it. That's the new contextual menu, and from here on, you'll want to click on Generative Fill. When you click it, a text box pops up. This is where the magic happens. Now, if you're just looking to remove something small, like a spot on someone's face or a piece of trash in the background, you don't even need to type anything. Just leave the box blank and press Generate. Photoshop will instantly create a few different options to fill in the selected area. On the right hand side, you'll see 3 variations to choose from. Just click the one that looks the best and you're good to go. But Generative Fill isn't just for fixing small things. You can use it to expand your image, fill in missing edges, or even create new elements. For example, let's say your photo ends awkwardly or it's cropped too tightly. You can select the empty space, click Generative Fill and type something like forest background, city skyline, or whatever fits your scene. Photoshop will use AI to generate realistic content to match the rest of your image. It's seriously impressive. One thing to keep in mind, this works best when your selection is fairly clean, so take your time with the selection step if you want the best results. And that's it for today's tutorial. This was a quick intro to Generative Fill, but trust me, there's so much more you can do with it. I'm planning to make a whole series of shorts, easy to follow Photoshop tutorials, so if there's anything specific you want to learn, drop in the comments below. I'll go through the requests and make videos based on what you want to see. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!